Hello, everybody. This is Francisco Martinez for AD1, and this is Milestone 1 for week 2. And I'm using Xmirage to actually show you this little thing live. So here's my application. Go over here real quick. So at the moment, it's pretty bare bone. I'm trying to figure out a better way to actually make it look nice and everything like that. But until I feel like everything is functionally correct, I'll wait on the design part. Um, I'll start back and then move forward. At the moment, this is one of my biggest issues. What the app's supposed to do is show a list. In this portion, it's supposed to show a list of the artists as well as the event. Like this is our event, and then the list of artists is supposed to be right here. Unfortunately, it's not doing that. It's showing it in some other way, like it's showing just the events, which tells me that the I might have switched the view controllers in some way. So I gotta actually like go back and fix it. The back button works, which is surprising. I'm gonna go to the next page. Supposedly this is supposed to be the photo app, the photo portion of the app. I'm thinking of actually taking out this portion of it because it seems like when it does take pictures, it takes both of them and it saves both of them. So I gotta fix that. But the fact is that it still does work. I can take a picture, I can use it, and what I want for it to do is I want it to save no matter what. Like I want it to save when it says yes and not save it when I say no. So I say no right now and it'll still save it for some reason. So I gotta fix that. And then the next and last thing is this. It shows a list of all of the. Um, it pretty much shows what we do as a company. So if we go to the about, it shows us. It shows the about and like our what we do and stuff like that. The only problem is if I press back, it'll crash, and I don't understand why it crashes. To be honest with you. If I was to go back, it'll work fine and go through the same thing. It shows our company goal, but then I press back, and the same thing, it'll crash. Go back again. It shows our team, which I'm still trying to fix. But at the same time, go back, and it'll crash. So at the moment, my app runs, but it's still kind of broken. Another thing is I'm trying to figure out how to change the names on the items. Um, I don't know if I should there's no way to actually do it through here, through the storyboard. It's just blocked off. So I'm assuming the only way to actually like change the names are on here. But I feel like if I do that, um, it'll probably mess up everything. And I kind of want to avoid doing that until I feel like all the functionality is in. So maybe sometime during the week, I'll actually go in, I'll change these, and I'll see what I can do about it. But until then, I'm gonna just leave it as it is because it seems to be running okay at the moment. This is my milestone. I have listed what I completed, and unfortunately, what I haven't completed, which is actually almost half the project so far. Um, it says my problems and as well as the camera application, how it's working, that it works kind of okay. I just need to fix up how it saves photos and stuff like that. I'm also considering putting in the Twitter feed. Our company does have its own Twitter feed, and we did do something about Twitter in one of our classes. So I'm thinking, why not just add that? It'll help it'll make the user enjoy the application a little more. It'll also help the user out as far as like finding out news about our company or news about other artists. Whenever an artist wants to post something, we always post it or they tag us into it, so then you'll see it in our feed. So yeah, I'm considering doing that. Maybe at either before or after I actually fix up everything, and maybe adding the present and future events that are gonna happen. Um, so yeah, I'm hoping to do that. But other than that, the app seems to work okay. Um, it's not terrible at the moment, but I can honestly say like from what I thought would happen, it's not too bad. I just need time to actually go back and see why something like this happens when I press back and it just doesn't want to work. So I hope everybody else was able to do better than I did. I'm still working on it. I think I'm gonna be okay. But at the moment, I just have a lot more work to do, which I'm fine with. Hard work to me doesn't bother me. So other than that, yeah, I hope you guys have a good night.